And I want to invite you for a time of meditation, whether in this space or at home. If you would, please, just take a big, deep breath in. Breathe it in the love and the oneness and the unity. And then breathe out. Letting go of all the illusion. I'm going to invite you for a time of, at first, a guided meditation. Then we'll go into the stillness, the silence. As we know, God within, be still and know that I'm God. So I invite you to go within, to the Christ consciousness, to let go of the outward world. As Paul says, we don't fix our eyes on what is seen, but what is unseen. For what is unseen is eternal. And the truth that you're perfect, that you're whole, that you are one with the divine. And I invite you to go deeper and deeper to find that void, that space of oneness, of infinite possibility, where all things are possible. As we let it be, we let our manifestations of healing, of love, of prosperity flow from us, knowing that we are connected. We go even deeper as we prepare ourselves for the silence. Oh, the silence. Deeper and deeper and deeper. And I invite you to go to that silent place within you, to connect to your light, to the source. And still in the silence, still in the stillness, I'm going to guide you into the light within and see that light. Whatever that might be, whatever that looks like, knowing that that light is you. That light is your divinity. And knowing beyond the intellectual, beyond the physical body, that you are a spiritual being, that you are a child of God, that you are infinite, and that you, as a child of God, do not inherit any sickness, any lack, but your inheritance, your birthright, is abundance. And so, as you're still in this silence, feel the presence, feel the prosperity, feel the healing, feel the abundance. Knowing that you are the temple of the living God. The Holy of Holies is within you. You are connected to all. Feel that. And may your consciousness be bathed in the peace that passes all understanding. No room for worry or fear or anxiety. No, peace, abundance, calmness, stillness, washing over you, washing over you. And I invite you to begin to come back to this space, whether here or at home, to feel the ground that your feet are on, the back of your chair, or perhaps even at home, wherever you may be, a chair or driving or in your bed. We begin to hear the rustles and the noises where we are. As I invite you to come back, knowing that at any time we can go back to the stillness. And so I invite you to, when you're ready, to open your eyes and affirm with me, and so it is. And amen.